Hi, this is Frank Burke with Dinosaur Rocketry, and here I have my new and improved version of the Orbital Express radio control rocket glider. This I've shortened a little bit and tweaked the wing shape a little bit to allow it to fit into some smaller shipping boxes so that the postal rate increases don't apply, and in doing so I was able to cut the weight by about a half an ounce and get it to fly a little bit higher and glide just as well. This is sort of a made-up shuttle type idea, similar to some glide return autonomous shuttle concepts. It's kind of a nice blank slate shuttle type design. You could do it with shuttle markings or Soviet or Chinese markings. Put a little cockpit decal in here, or you could do it sort of as an autonomous vehicle, kind of like the X-37B idea. This is 24 inches long, and it's got a 19.5-inch wingspan, and it uses 2.6-inch tubing. Very simple construction. The wing just glues to the bottom of the body tube. The servos are inset into the body tube a little bit to hide them. There's nothing on the bottom to catch on the ground. The rail buttons are offset to the side a little bit. And the model with the 24mm Aerotech E-6 long burn motor installed. This weighs right at 8 ounces, ready to fly, maybe just a little bit less. So it goes pretty high, has a pretty decent glide, and it has a nice shuttle look in the air. And we're going to give it some test flights.